It's an exciting season for the Wales futsal squad. We've got UEFA futsal qualifiers, home international in December against Northern Ireland, Scotland and England, which is an exciting development for the game in the UK. Hopefully it'll be a really exciting game. We'd like to get lots of people down here. We'll put on a good show and hopefully have some wins for Wales, which would be fantastic as we prepare then ready for January when we play our UEFA futsal qualifiers. And we've been developing the game for the last 5 years, and we're looking for the sport to continue to grow. It's really good for young players in terms of their sort of development to support football as well.
Back when I started university, I started up a futsal team there and been involved ever since. From university then got involved with the sort of Welsh setup. We've been building over the last sort of 5 years and we've progressed quite a lot now. It builds your technical game massively. You only have to look at sort of the South American teams who play it when they're young. You can see all how good technically they are. It'd be great if we can build that up in the UK and sort of really push it at a young age, because then our football teams would benefit a lot as well.
Playing futsal has made my football a lot better because it improves your skill on the ball. Luckily, being with the Welsh squad, we've managed to travel all over Europe. All the games and the atmosphere that you get involved in, we really thrive on that atmosphere. So being in those venues, being in those environments, and that's definitely the best experiences. Futsal is a new, fast, exciting sport. Indoors, so you haven't got to worry about the weather or anything like that. You haven't got to get your coats out. Really close, intense environment, really exciting. Always goes down to the last second, so it's a really exciting game to come and watch. So yeah, we'd really like any fans to come and watch us, and it'd be great to get as many people there as possible.